Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. So here we are covering visuals under this playlist. So in the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about this KPI visual. I hope guys now you are cleared with all the features of this KPI visual. And now in today's tutorial guys, we will talk about the next visual of Power BI, which name is Slicer. I know guys, most of the Power BI and Excel users are well aware about this Slicer. But as we know guys, here we are covering each and every visuals in detail. So we will learn about this Slicer visual from scratch. So before start this class guys, let me give you brief knowledge about this Slicer visual. So guys, with the help of this Slicer visual, we guys can display commonly used or important filters on the report, which makes your report more dynamic and interactive. So we can make it easier to see the current filter state without having to open drop down list view easiest. So let's go to the practical page and understand this Slicer visual with practical. So here we guys can see I have created one small report with the help of some visuals from this visualization pane. So here under this pie chart guys, I have displayed country wise sale, and here under this tag column chart guys, I have displayed product wise sale, and here under this card visual guys, we guys can see total sales of our data set. And the last guys, I have used this tree map where I have displayed customer name with its sales. And here you guys can see I have taken one Slicer visual from this visualization pane. And now let's look at the parameter of this Slicer visual. So here under this Slicer visual guys, we have just only one parameter, which is field. So here under this parameter guys, you guys can display any of the column here which you want to make it filter. So firstly guys, let me expand this sales table, and firstly I am taking this country field from here and simply drop here under this field parameter. So see guys, the moment I drop this country field here under this field parameter, now we guys can see all the countries are displaying here under this Slicer visual, and we guys can see the distinct value of the countries. So here guys, we have 5 countries with distinct values. And now let's understand the use of this Slicer visual. So guys, as we studied in the definition, we can use this Slicer for commonly used filter. So I want to filter my whole report with India country. So I will simply check this India from here. And now you guys can see the moment I select India country from this Slicer, and we can see our whole report view has changed. And now we can easily analyze the specific things of India country. So the total sales has made in India is 143.90k. And we have sold 2 kinds of product, which are bread and milk. And along with product guys, we guys can also see the sales of bread as well as milk. And here in this tree map visual guys, we guys can easily see the salesperson by its sales. So only 2 person has made the sales in India country, which are Pragya and Ashish. So in a similar way guys, we guys can also check the sales of different countries. So simply go here under this Slicer visual, and you guys can select any of the country from here. So guys, this time I want to filter this report with USA country. So firstly I will uncheck this India and select this USA. And now guys, here we can simply analyze the USA things. Like the total sales made in USA is 98.25k, where we have sold 3 kinds of product, which are cake, butter and bread. And it is sold by Rahul Sharma and Vihan. So guys, in such a way we can use this Slicer visual to make your report more interactive and dynamic, to use these filters. And now let's talk more about this Slicer visual. And under this field parameter guys, you guys can add multiple fields are here. So what I'll do guys, I will take one more field from this table and simply drag and drop here under this field parameter. So this time guys, I will take this product column and simply drag and drop here under this field parameter. And see guys, the moment I drop this product field here, then we guys can see the drop down is added here under this Slicer. So firstly let me uncheck this USA from here. And now guys, if I click here on this drop down button, then we guys can see in China country we have a list of products, which are bread, butter, cake and milk. So we guys can see all the distinct value here under the China. And now guys, I want to see the total sales of this particular product, which is bread. So what I'll do guys, I will simply check this bread from here. And we can clearly analyze the total sales of bread in China country is 85.50k, which is made by Rakshit Jain. And let's suppose guys you want to see the figures of two values like bread and cake. So simply press Ctrl button guys and select another value from here, let's say cake. And now we can clearly analyze the total sales of bread and cake in China is 123.40k. So in this way guys, you guys can analyze multiple fields from here. So let me uncheck it all and remove this product field from here. And now let's talk about some formatting feature of this slicer visual. So let's go here under this formatting pane. So here we guys can see we have three formatting feature of this slicer visual. The first one is slicer setting, slicer header and the values. So let's start with this slicer setting. So let me expand this feature. So here we guys can see the feature style is vertical list. So if you guys want to change the style of this slicer visual, so simply click here on this drop down button and here you will guys see more style options. So let me change the style into tiles. So see guys, the style of the slicer has changed. It changed it into the button forms. So with the help of this style feature guys, you guys can change any of the style from here. And now let's talk about the next option, which is selection. So let me expand this feature first and here you will see three more formatting features are here. So the first feature is single select. So if you guys want to select any value which always be selected here under the slicer, so simply turn on this toggle button which is single select. And now we guys can see the single value is selected. And now guys you cannot uncheck. So let me first change this style, which is vertical list. So in this way guys, you guys can use this single select feature. The one value is always be selected if you turn on this toggle button. Let me turn it off and let me uncheck this value. And the next feature is multi select. So if I hover my mouse here guys, so we can see it's getting me some definition. It allows multiple selection in the checkboxes only when Control or Command plus click is used. So which we have already covered. So with the help of this control click, we can select multiple values like this. Let's say USA and Sri Lanka. See guys. So in this way guys, you guys can use this multi select feature. And the next feature is show select all. So guys, if you want to add one more additional option here under this slicer, which is select all. So simply turn on this toggle button. So here we guys can see we have one more option is displaying here, which is select all. And from here guys, you can select all the values in just one click. See guys. So that's all features are comes here under this slicer settings. And now let's talk about the next feature of slicer, which is slicer header. So guys, with the help of this slicer header feature, you guys can add the heading of the slicer. So let me first turn it on. See guys, now it is displaying these all are the countries. If you guys want to turn it off, you guys can turn it off this slicer header. And now let me turn it on and expand this slicer header feature. So from here guys, you guys can play with these basic formatting features like previous visuals. So from here guys, you can increase or decrease the size of the title. For this feature guys, you guys can change the font style. As well as you will also change the color from here and make it as bold. And with the help of this show summary feature, you guys can also display the selected value on the right side of the header. See guys, this time it's already selected all. That's why it's displaying all. Let's say I am selecting only China. See guys. Now the value is changed into China. So in this way, you guys can also add the summary of your slicer visual. And now let me turn it off and uncheck this China. And now guys, let's talk about the last formatting feature of this slicer visual, which is value. So let me expand this feature first. And again we guys can see the same basic formatting features like increase or decrease the size. You guys can also change the font style. And from here guys, you guys can also change the colors. And with the help of this padding feature guys, you guys can also increase or decrease the padding size. And under this value feature guys, we have two more options which are borders and background. So guys, with the help of border feature guys, you guys can also add on borders like bottom, top, left, and you guys can also change the color from here. And with the help of this line width feature guys, you guys can also increase or decrease the width of your line. See guys. And now let's talk about the last feature, which is background. So from here guys, you guys can also add the background color. Let's say blue. See guys. And if you guys want to turn off all the formatting settings, so simply click here on reset to default. See guys. So I hope guys you have definitely enjoyed this tutorial and cleared with all the features of this slicer visual. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And if you click here on this playlist button guys, so here we guys can see we have a multiple playlist are here. So with the help of this DAX expression playlist guys, you guys can learn each and every DAX functions from scratch, where I have tried to cover each and every DAX functions in detail. And also have one more playlist guys, which name is Power BI Updates, where you guys will get to see the latest updates about Power BI. So you guys don't require to go anywhere to see latest updates about Power BI. And with the help of this visualization playlist guys, I am also trying to cover each and every visuals in detail. And those who are visit first time on this channel, kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. So stay connected with us for such kind of detailed learning. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I am keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview questions and answers which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and trainings. But if you still think guys you require paid training sessions, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day one class guys, I prepare for you interview rounds with some scenario based questions which is recently asked by an interviewer. So for paid training support or any other queries, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much guys.